Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, we were talking about this week so many times of the outages of Microsoft Outlook, Outlook.com. And it seems like every online service from Microsoft has bugs this week. Now, some of you came back. There's a couple of messages and a couple of comments that I got since yesterday about some of you saying, can it be affecting OneDrive also? Now, what is very interesting is that today a lot of people are reporting that their OneDrive isn't working. I've not had that issue here, but there's enough people that actually there seems to be something going on. It could be like the Outlook.com off and on. There's still some people that actually are saying that today, after several hours of being okay, Outlook.com email also failing. Now, one of the things we don't really know right now, and Microsoft is keeping very quiet. On one side, Microsoft says it's a technical glitch and they're trying to fix it. They have said today that they're looking into OneDrive to see the telemetry and see why it's happening or not. One thing for sure, something's happening. And on the other side, there's a group called Anonymous Sudan posting today, Microsoft, we didn't forget you, and seems to claim that the problems are due to a massive distributed denial of service attack, which is simply sending a massive amount of data onto the servers of Microsoft to have them either not respond or crash or have problems. Now, there's quite a few people that actually contacted Microsoft and saying, well, what about the claims of that group? Could that be a problem? Microsoft has not responded back to that. And that silence kind of leads us to think that maybe there is something behind that. But they maybe just don't want to make the announcement so that it's going to give importance to that group. But one thing for sure is that this week it's been off and on since Monday on many services, and that group claims that they are doing it off and on, and that they're the ones behind the problems with the servers, and that they are targeting Microsoft, and that eventually they'll maybe target another company. So anyways, whatever happens, if you have issues with OneDrive, if you have issues with even Microsoft 365 products, Office accounts, stuff like that, Outlook.com, for the most part this week, it's not your problem. It's not your computer. It's not what you're doing. It really seems like Microsoft is having a hard time this week. And who knows, maybe that group is behind it, but Microsoft is keeping awfully quiet and trying to tell us that, no, it's a technical glitch we're trying to fix. So we'll see what comes up, but I think it's still a developing story, and you might actually hear about it more on this channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.